Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can deposit Zelle transactions in QuickBooks Online. So let's jump right in. To record Zelle transactions in QuickBooks Online, start by logging into your QuickBooks account. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Banking or Transactions, depending on your version. This will take you to the Banking tab where all your linked bank accounts are displayed. Next, select the bank account where the Zelle payment was deposited. Once you're in the selected bank account, go to the For Review tab. This section shows all the recent transactions that haven't been added to your books yet. Now, look through the list and locate the Zelle transaction you want to record. Once you find it, click on the transaction to expand the details. QuickBooks will automatically try to categorize the payment, but you can adjust it if needed. After reviewing the transaction details and making sure everything is correct, select the Add button to include it in your bank register. If QuickBooks finds a potential match from your records, you can choose to match instead of adding it as a new entry. Once added, your Zelle transaction will be part of your financial records. From there, you can review, match, categorize, and manage it just like any other transaction in QuickBooks.